I think you forgot grandma.
Everyone, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Quadell, and today we are talking about something very, very exciting. Cruises. I mean, come on. Who doesn't love the idea of a floating city of fun? You've got the endless buffets, the pools, the exotic destinations. It's the ultimate vacation. You book the trip, you count down the days, you picture yourself lounging on the deck with a little umbrella drink, not a care in the world. The excitement is real. You can almost taste the seesaw and the 24/7 soft serve ice cream. But, and this is a big but, that perfect vacation dream can turn into a comedy of errors real fast if you're not prepared. We've all been there. That sinking feeling when you realize you've forgotten something super important. It's that moment of pure panic, followed by a frantic search through your luggage, and then the slow, painful acceptance of your fate. You start thinking, can I make a formal shirt out of a towel? Is it weird to ask the captain to borrow his sunglasses? It's a whole vibe, and not a good one. So to save you from that fate, I've put together the ultimate list of 20 things you absolutely cannot forget to pack for your cruise. Trust me, forgetting some of these items can lead to some truly hilarious and totally avoidable disasters. We're talking about everything from looking like a lost lobster to accidentally trying to pay for a souvenir with your room key. Stick with me and I'll make sure your only worry is whether to hit the pool or the dessert bar first. Let's get into it. All right. Kicking things off with number one, and this is the big one, folks. This is the game over before it even starts item. Your passport and all your travel documents, your cruise tickets, your government-issued ID, any visa information you might need. You need to treat these documents like they're the one ring to rule them all. Keep them safe, keep them close. Special folder or a little fanny pack, dedicated solely to their protection. Imagine months of planning and packing. You've driven for hours, and you're standing at the port. The ship is right there. You can hear the music playing. You can smell the buffet. You get to the front of the line beaming. The agent says, "Passport, please." You freeze. Slow motion head turn and frantic pocket patting. It's a no-go. They will not let you on. You stand on the pier as your luggage sails off to Cozumel without you. You become the cautionary tale. See that guy? He forgot his passport. Don't be that guy. Ultimate vacation fail. Triple check your documents. Check before you leave the house. Check in the car. Check one more time before you get out. Don't get left behind. Coming in at number 2 is something you might not think about until you're on board and it's too late. A cruise lanyard. A lanyard, really? Isn't that for corporate events or backstage passes? But on a cruise ship, your room key card is everything. It's your ID, it's your credit card, it's your key to get back into your room after a late night adventure. Your entire life on the ship in one little piece of plastic. You'll be pulling it out constantly. Getting a drink, buying a souvenir, getting off the ship, getting back on the ship, opening your cabin door. If it's in your pocket, especially in a swimsuit, it can disappear fast. Panicked pat down every 5 minutes, left pocket, right pocket, the abyss of your beach bag. You'll lose that card more times than you lose your dignity at the all-you-can-eat buffet. Going to guest services in a towel? No thanks. A simple lanyard around your neck is a game changer. Okay, item number 3 is non-negotiable unless you're a vampire or you plan on spending your entire vacation in the ship's casino. I'm talking about sunscreen. Lots and lots of sunscreen. SPF 30, SPF 50, SPF. I'm basically reflecting the sun back into space. Don't skimp on this. The sun out on the open ocean is no joke. It's like the sun, but with an amplifier, and it's bouncing off the water from every angle. You think you're just getting a healthy glow on that first day by the pool. You feel great, you're relaxed, you forget to reapply after a dip. Big mistake, huge. You go back to your cabin, you look in the mirror, and you transformed into a walking, talking lobster. You're so red, you could be used as a navigational beacon. Every movement hurts. Your clothes feel like sandpaper, sleeping is an impossible dream. Seriously, that bright red, painful to the touch lobster look is only cute on actual lobsters, and even then, it's usually right before they're served with butter. You don't want to be that person wincing in every vacation photo, hiding in the shade for the rest of the trip while everyone else is having fun. Pack it, apply it, reapply it. Your skin will thank you, and you'll be able to actually enjoy your vacation without looking like a tomato with legs. All right, let's talk about number 4. This one seems obvious, right? It's like reminding someone to bring shoes on a hike, but you would be shocked I tell you, at how many people manage to forget their swimsuit. You're going on a cruise. There are pools, hot tubs, beautiful beaches, maybe even a water slide that looks terrifyingly fun. The entire point is to get in the water. Forgetting your swimsuit is a special kind of travel tragedy. You'll be standing by the pool deck, fully clothed in your travel jeans, watching everyone else splash around, having the time of their lives. You'll see the conga line snake its way into the pool. You'll see the belly flop contest, and you'll just be there, a dry, sad spectator. Your only option is to buy one from the ship's gift shop. It will probably cost you the equivalent of a down payment on a small car, and have a giant cruise line logo on the butt. And let's just be clear, while the cruise might be a party, it's not that kind of party. Skinny dipping is generally not on the list of approved onboard activities. You might think it's a fun, rebellious idea after a few pina coladas, but I can assure you, the security team and probably several horrified onlookers will not agree. So, do yourself a favor, pack at least one swimsuit, maybe 2, so you don't have to put on a wet one. It's kind of the whole point. Moving on to number 5. This is for those special nights on the ship. We're talking about formal wear. Most cruises have 1 or 2 formal nights where everyone gets dressed up. It's a chance to feel fancy. Take some nice photos that aren't selfies, eat a proper dinner at a set table. People go all out, suits, tuxedos, cocktail dresses, evening gowns. It's a whole thing. Now imagine the horror of packing only t-shirts, shorts, flip-flops. You open the daily schedule, see formal night at the main dining room, and your heart sinks. You show up in an I'm with stupid t-shirt and cargo shorts. A sea of sequins and bow ties greets you. The maitre d' gives you a disapproving look. It's awkward. Either you're turned away to the buffet of shame, or you're let in and stick out like a sore thumb. You're in the background of glamorous photos looking like you just came from mowing the lawn. You don't need a full tuxedo. Just slacks, a collared shirt, a simple dress, a nice top, and pants will save the night. Number 6 is a lifesaver for your feet. I'm talking about comfortable walking shoes. People underestimate the sheer size of a modern cruise ship. These things are floating cities. Getting from your cabin at the front of the ship to the dining room at the back can feel like a 10-minute hike. You'll be walking up and down stairs, exploring different decks, and just trying to find your way back to your room. It's a marathon you didn't even know you signed up for. And that's just on the ship. Then you have the shore excursions. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, wandering through a bustling port city, or hiking to a waterfall, you are going to be on your feet a lot. Trying to do all that in a pair of flimsy flip-flops, or heaven forbid, your fancy formal night shoes, is a recipe for disaster. You'll be nursing blisters the size of dinner plates by day 2. Your feet will be begging for mercy. You'll be the one lagging behind the tour group, wincing with every step, dreaming of the moment you can sit down. Good, broken-in walking shoes, sneakers, comfortable sandals, whatever works for you, are an absolute must. They're the difference between enjoying your day, exploring a new country, and spending it desperately searching for a bench and some Band-Aids. Don't let your feet ruin your vacation. Let's talk hydration item number 7, a reusable water bottle. This is one of those small things that makes a huge difference. Sure, you can get water on the ship, but it's usually in a tiny little cup from a dispenser, or you have to buy expensive plastic bottles. Having your own bottle means you can fill up at the buffet or at water stations and have a good supply with you at all times, whether you're lounging by the pool or heading off the ship for the day. Staying hydrated on a cruise is so important. You're out in the sun, you're more active than you think, and let's be honest, you're probably enjoying a few more adult beverages than you normally would. That combination is a fast track to dehydration, which leads to headaches, fatigue, and just generally feeling blah. And nobody wants to feel blah on vacation. You want to feel woohoo, not ugh, my head. Plus, it's the ultimate secret weapon for the morning after. Let's say, hypothetically, you got a little carried away at 80s night. Maybe you did a surprisingly powerful rendition of Living on a Prayer at karaoke that the ship is still talking about. Waking up and having a big bottle of cold water right by your bed is a gift from the heavens. It's the key to bouncing back and being ready for another day of fun instead of spending the morning hiding from the sun in your dark cabin. Number 8 is for my friends who might be nervous about the floating on the ocean part. Seasickness remedies. Even if you've never been seasick, it's good to have something on hand. Number 9 is a veteran cruiser secret. Pack a power strip. Turn one sad outlet into 4 or 5 charging ports for all your devices. Item 10 is all about shore excursions. You need a lightweight backpack or tote bag for sunscreen, water, camera, and souvenirs. Number 11 is Domestic Magic, travel-size laundry detergent for those inevitable mystery stains. 12 is a modern essential, waterproof phone case to prevent the heart-stopping phone overboard panic. 13 is boring but important, travel insurance information, your financial safety net for the unexpected. 14 satisfies late-night cravings, pack your own snacks for when the midnight gremlins attack. 15 is your personal do not disturb sign. A book or e-reader for those perfect relaxation moments. 16 prevents the squinty vacation face. Sunglasses to protect from that interrogation lamp bright ocean sun. 17 tames the windblown mess. A hat for protection and style. 18 handles minor mishaps. A basic first aid kit for bumps and scrapes. 19 is the universal language of appreciation. Cash and small bills for tipping and those strategic ice cream line bribes. And finally, 20, the unsung hero, the Swiss Army knife of your suitcase, Ziploc bags for wet swimsuits, organizing, and general mess prevention. And there you have it, 20 things you absolutely positively should not get on a cruise ship without. From the super important passport to the humble Ziploc bag, each one of these items plays a part in making your vacation smoother, more comfortable, and a lot less stressful. So before you zip up that suitcase for the final time, do me a favor and run through this list one more time. Double check everything. Your future relaxed vacation mode self will thank you for it. Packing smart is the first step to a truly amazing trip. I really hope this list helps you get ready for your next adventure on the high seas. The goal is to have a fun, fantastic, and completely stress-free cruise. Being prepared is the best way to make that happen. All you should be worrying about is whether you'll have the steak or the lobster for dinner, not where you left your room key. I wish you calm seas, sunny skies, and a vacation full of wonderful memories. Go have the time of your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your #1 cruise packing must-have that I didn't mention? Let me know your own pro tips in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. Safe travels, everyone.